Today, we'd like to share our new growth hack that will come handy when you're taking part in events and conferences. We'll be showing you how to create your own wish list of prospects and share them with people who might help you with giving an intro to one of your dream prospects. We'll be using Kuration AI plus n8n plus Lovable to make this mini tool. Our first step is to identify the top 100 companies in Hong Kong that we wanted to collaborate with through Kuration AI. To start, we utilized one of Kuration's pre-curated list containing 27,000 companies based out of Hong Kong. With various tools at disposal, we successfully narrowed it down to 100 companies. Let's dive deep into how we did it. The first step was determining the number of LinkedIn followers from their company's LinkedIn page. The number of LinkedIn followers is a great indicator of a company's prominence, which is important as we aim to engage with well-known companies in Hong Kong that have significant brand recognition. After filtering out companies with fewer than 2,000 LinkedIn followers, we used a research agent to ascertain whether each company was B2B, B2C, or B2G. Using a funnel system, we further refined the list, focusing on companies that operate in the B2B sector, though some also engage in B2C activities. The next step was to determine whether each entity was a legitimate company rather than an organization or NGO, which is crucial because Kuration AI's primary focus is on enterprises. We also employed additional built-in tools. In the platform, we developed our own research tool using prompts called the Sales Team Finder to identify whether these companies had sales or marketing teams. If they do, it's likely they'll be interested in using Kuration AI. Further narrowing the list, we employed 2 company scoring agents, using multiple criteria to hone in on the most suitable companies. We focused on 4 main criteria. First, I considered their digital footprint, aiming to see if they are actively engaged in marketing and seeking clients. If so, Kuration could be an excellent resource for finding prospective clients. Second was their growth signals. We looked for signs like recent funding, aggressive hiring, or new product launches, which indicate a company is actively pursuing new clients. Thirdly, we evaluated brand credibility. It's vital for Kuration AI to partner with reputable companies, allowing us to focus on detailed specifics. Lastly, we checked platforms like Indeed or JobsDB LinkedIn to verify if they're hiring marketing personnel, which is another strong indicator of having a marketing team. As you can see, there's some overlap in the tools used, but that's intentional to enhance accuracy, since tools can sometimes have margin for error when filtering 100 companies, and we wanted to ensure precision and focus. Additionally, we used another digital footprint agent to ascertain whether they actively posts company updates and other media content. This involved a detailed review of their social media presence, including YouTube and content emails. We applied approximately a total of 9 filters, each with varying criteria, to condense the original list from 27,000 companies to 100. The next step in creating the wish list was exporting the database we created into a Google Sheet, which includes all the necessary details. After filtering down to 100 rows, we added 3 more columns: email, message, and why us to put in the actual table. We ran a brief n8n workflow to generate these content for email, casual message, and a why us blurb explaining why Kuration AI is a good fit for each of them, using Gemini 2.5 Flash Chat model. This workflow utilized the sheet's data to create these 3 messages. From there, we selected the top 25 companies whom we'd like to engage with for business. We then exported the relevant information to a new sheet named Wishlist 1. The next step is to create a PRD for the landing page. We developed a detailed prompt outlining the context of what to build, including sections for the header, navigation, hero section, hero copy, interactive table, and its desired functions, plus a schedule demo button and footer. You can find the document linked in the description box below. We used a custom GPT called ChatPRD in ChatGPT to input this prompt, which resulted in a comprehensive PRD for the landing page that included narratives, user experience flow, user stories, goals, and more. We copied all this information back into a new tab in the document. We then made some modifications to the output, copied it, and put it into Lovable. As this took some time, we waited for the output, and this resulted in what Lovable produced from the first prompt. Now, we have logos, companies, domains, and an intro message. Here you can see options for email, message, and why us. We replaced all placeholder text with actual content from Kuration AI, ran through the n8n workflow to generate the email and message content, and now have a list of companies with corresponding emails, message content, and why us statements. So what we can do now is simply copy this content. For example, if someone will get us an intro via mail, he'll paste the copied content into an email composer. Format the structure of the email a little bit. If you have an email signature, then just add it, and we're all set. This is how you can effectively use the wishlist landing page as a tool to secure introductions at conferences or events. Hope you liked this growth hack of the week. Follow Kuration AI for more such hacks to stand yourself out.